Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th tutorial in the Fundamentals of ICT series. In this session, we will be designing an interactive quiz form titled Science Knowledge Test. You will learn how to create a multiple choice questions, add short answer questions, enable automatic scoring and display scores to the students after submission. This tutorial is perfect for educators or anyone wanting to create engaging quizzes. Let's get started. To start with, go to Chrome, log in into your account, then search Google Form. In Google Form, sign in, create a blank form. As per our question, we have to create a science knowledge test. So, science knowledge test. So, I named the form as science knowledge test. So, let's start with the questions. So, we have to add 5 questions. So, the first question we are adding is which planet is known as the red planet? So, we have to add the options. So, we are adding the options as Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. To convert this into a quiz kind of form, we have to move to settings, make it as quiz, release grades immediately after each submissions, and default points to 1. Sorry, 1. Now back to the questions. You can add the answer key, points to 1. The correct answer is Mars. Done. And mark it as required. Then the second question could be what is the chemical symbol of water? Let's say H2O. Sorry. I guess we can't do any text formatting here. So we will just move on with the questions like O2, CO2, NaCl. Then in the answer key, we will select H2O as the right answer. Just remove the extra points. Okay, done. Then in the third question, we will be writing what type of energy does the sun produce? So, what type of energy does the sun produce? Okay. So, in this, we will be adding 4 more options like nuclear, chemical, mechanical, and electrical. The right answer is nuclear. So, in the answer key, we will select nuclear. So, we have successfully added 3 questions. Then let's move to the fourth question. We forgot to add this questions as required. Then we will move to the fourth question. Which gas do plants use during photosynthesis? And answer will be like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. So mark it as required. Then let's move to the last and the fifth question, which is what is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. Okay, the right answer is Jupiter. So in the answer key, we will select Jupiter and mark it as required. Then Finally, we have to add a short answer question in which the question could be name a planet in our solar system other than Earth. Okay, it's a short answer question. Okay, I mispronounced planet. Oh, sorry. Yes. The answer key. Now it is not a multiple choice. It is a short answer kind of question. So the answer key could have Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, done. So we have like listed all the possible planet names and done and mark it as required. So finally we have completed with the quiz form. So this is how the quiz will look like. And that's it. You have successfully created a science knowledge test quiz form with multiple choice and short answer questions, automatic scoring, and a score display feature. Your quiz is now ready to be shared with students. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more videos in the Fundamentals of ICT series. Thanks for watching and see you next time.